What's up, beautiful YouTube fans and friends? Welcome to another vlog. My name is DJ Ninja. It's a beautiful day. The sun is up. The clouds are forming slowly by slowly. I'm standing here near the Eldoret Rafa Academy, Eldoret Rafa Education Center, or rather the Deliverance Church. You can see that is the Daima Towers, and in front of it, down, you can see the Kipchoge Keino Stadium, and there's a road there. So I have been MIA, missing in action. I was not in this beautiful city of ours. I'm told the Eldoret town is now officially Eldoret City. It is just waiting for a charter, and it will be officially a city. So I want to go and check. There's a tree that we planted at the Eldoret Arboretum. It's not far from here. I want to go and check its progress. The good thing that it has been raining almost on a daily basis from around 2 p.m. for like 1 hour. So I'm assuming that the tree is just doing okay because of the enough rainfall. So guys, this is the environment around. As you can see, there's a big mast behind me. Is it visible? I'm using my phone. I cannot be able to get a glimpse of it, but there's a huge mast around here. This is the not far from Eldoret airstrip. This is like the vicinity of Eldoret airstrip, or rather Eldoret Subaru estate. So there is a big mast for a certain media company known as Royal Media Company. There it can be seen, that one. It's very tall. You know, this place that I'm standing is a small hill. As you can see, the Daima Towers is there, and the town is down there. So guys, walk with me as I go and get to see how our tree is faring on. See you there. Guys, I'm walking along this pathway in between two schools. On my left hand side, it's known as Alfax Academy, and on the right hand side is the Rafa Education Center. So I'm heading to the Eldoret Arboretum. The Rafa Education Center are using K apples to fence their. These are K apples, and the Alfax Academy are using this. I don't know what's the name of this, but it tends to mature very fast. It's very good. It's a good when it comes to fencing. So guys, this is the Eldoret Iten Highway on my way to the Eldoret Arboretum. What's up, beautiful people? We have made it to the Eldoret Arboretum. Imagine I just came to see this tree, Maninja tree. Planted this tree together with another YouTuber known as Mercy Empire. Mercy's Empire Africa. You can see it's not doing that bad. As you can see, there's a bud here. It has developed a bud. What we just need to do is look for some fertilizer and just place it, because it has been raining. At the moment it's very hot. I'm sure in the next 2 hours it will be raining. So guys, this is the Eldoret Arboretum. For the people who are bumping into this channel for the first time, I've done several videos inside this place. This is known as the Eldoret Arboretum. Eldoret Arboretum has very many tree species, sitting area, just where you come to relax, unwind, and also you can have some exercise. It is said that somewhere there in future they're gonna put swimming pool, and there's a fish pond that is already there. You can see several gazebos and place to relax. Also inside there is the wall of fame that contains name of various athletes who are very famous, not only around this area but in Kenya. So guys, I'm happy that the tree is faring on well. You can see this small stream behind me. That is another path going up there. I've actually done several videos inside this place. Also, this place has free Wi-Fi, but unfortunately I don't know if it is not working. It's like it is not working today, the free Wi-Fi. I've tried testing it and it has not worked. So guys, let me move on. I have not been around. I was in western part of Kenya. Now I'm back for a few days before I go back to the western side of Kenya. Let's move on, guys. So guys, that is one of the router. I was trying the Wi-Fi and unfortunately today it's not working. I was elated knowing that I was to use the Wi-Fi, but unfortunately it's not working.